Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to withdraw your profits from your TopStep Funded Futures trading account. First, log into TopStep account. On the dashboard, locate the section labeled Withdraw Funds under your funded account settings. Here, ensure your trading account is fully verified and linked with a bank account or payment processor. You will need to provide your bank details like account number and routing number for payouts. Now choose your preferred withdrawal method, either bank transfer, PayPal, or wire transfer. Make sure the payment details match your verified account. Now, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Keep in mind there might be withdrawal fees or limits depending on the payout method you chose. Once submitted, you will receive an email confirmation. Check your email and keep an eye on the status in your account to track the withdrawal's progress. And that's all. And that's all it takes to withdraw your earnings from TopStep. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.